Hi children, in the last class we have studied about joints, but because of some uh, mobile issues, the that topic it has only came half of the part. That's why I am telling you, I am explaining you again that one. Okay, so our bodies can perform different motions, right? Because of these joints. So the what is meant by joint then? The place where two bones they are going to meet, that we call it as joint. So here bones are held together by joints by band of fibrous or elastic tissue, that we call it as ligaments. Okay, so what is meant, these ligaments are the ligaments, these hold the bones at a place and prevent them from getting apart. Okay, so next we are going to study types of joints. So in the types of joints there are two types, those are movable and immovable. Movable means here the bones of the skull is fixed. Okay, the joints between them are immovable. So which one it is not moving here and means ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್ದಾಡೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಮ್ಮೂವೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Why this happens means because of the cartilage. Cartilage, it acts like a rubber pad in between the joints. Okay, so here cartilage is absent between them, that's why in the brain it is immovable. Okay, so now next, here cartilage is absent between them as they cannot move, that's why it is called immovable. Joints in other parts of the body means in some parts like in hand, wrist, ankle, these are called movable. Why means here the cartilage is present between them and it acts like a rubber pad in between the joints. Okay, so movable joints are of four kinds are there: ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, hinge joint. Okay, ball and socket joint means here they allow the movements to our body in many directions. In this kind of joints, one of the bone will be round shape, which is like a ball, and the other bone has a cup like area. Okay, on the above to that ball will be there and it will be moving. So whenever you do your hands like this, at that time that one it will move. So here the shoulder joint here and the hip joint, these are the examples for ball and socket joint. Whenever you want to move your hand like this, at that time it acts here ball and socket joint. Okay, next hinge joint. Hinge joint, it allows only back and forth movements. Okay, so where these hinge joints are going to present, these hinge joints are present in knees, elbow, ear, fingers and toes. Okay, so it enables movement similar to opening and closing of the door. It resembles to the opening and closing of the door. Okay, next pivot joint. Pivot means it allows the turn, you will turn the head from side to side. That only in that portion this pivot joint it will be present. Okay, so it will be a rod like bone that it fits to ring formed by another bone in your neck. Okay, so it fits to your body. Gliding joint, next is gliding joint, it allows the bones to slide against each other. Where these gliding joints are present, here in the toes, means in your ankles and in your wrist part. So these gliding joints are present and it also present in the backbone. Okay, so whenever you want to bend or you want to get up, at that moment it will be helpful for you. Next, muscular system. So what you mean by muscles? Below our skin and above our bones, it lies a soft tissue inside our body that we call it as muscles. Okay, our body is consisting of more than 600 muscles in our body. Muscles are attached to the skeleton. They are joined to bone by a strong and tough band that we call it as tendons. The main work of the muscular system is to provide movement to our body along with the skeletal system. Why means it is attached to the skeletal system. That's why it is helping us to move our body. Okay, in the next class we are going to learn how these muscles are going to work. Okay children, thank you.